Dorman key fobs work and look just like your original keyless remote, without the high cost and inconvenience of visiting a dealership for programming. Save time. Dorman's DIY remotes can be programmed to your vehicle in minutes, following supplied simple instructions. Save money. Fobs can be programmed using Dorman's included programming module or via an on-vehicle programming sequence. No expensive, time-consuming dealership appointment required. Keep functionality. Every Dorman replacement key fob, once properly programmed, will duplicate the functions of the original remote, and closely resemble it in appearance, too. Vehicle-specific replacement or spare. This keyless entry transmitter looks and functions like the original fob on certain vehicle years, makes, models and configurations. Do-it-yourself solution. Includes a patented programmer that plugs into your OBD2 port to set up your new fob in minutes, without expensive dealership programming. Matches features. This 4-button remote control features lock, unlock, trunk and panic functions, includes blank key that can be cut to match your original. Important notes: you must have at least one of your original keys or fobs for programming process, only for use on vehicles that came originally equipped with keyless entry. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent product, worked flawlessly on first try. In short, the product was easy to use, if one knows how to read and follow directions, and it worked flawlessly. The package includes a programmer that is plugged into the car's OBD port and a new aftermarket key fob that can be programmed for the specific vehicle as long as you have an original functioning key fob. I purchased the package for a used 2012 Nissan Altima Coupe that only came with one key fob. I had already purchased an OEM Nissan replacement key fob but discovered that a local locksmith wanted nearly $80 to program it, and of course, the dealer wanted a whole lot more than that. Since the Dorman programmer didn't cost much more than the local locksmith had quoted and since the Dorman package also includes a key fob, I decided to try it. I am glad I did. Again, it worked flawlessly on the first attempt and now I have 3 functioning key fobs, which is great because we have 3 drivers in our household.